welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabrina. If you're new here, you can hit that subscribe button down below. I try to post a new video every single week. So today's video I'm so freaking excited for. I bought a bunch of like fake tattoos and I also bought fake piercings, and we're gonna be turning myself into like a goth sort of say. I'm freaking excited. I also got my hair done today. It's black again. Oh, so happy. If any of that interests you, then please keep watching. So I ordered these really cool tattoos off Amazon, and it came with like a bunch of variety. Like there's so many here to choose from, and it also came with like a bunch of small ones as well. So I'm gonna start off with applying the tattoo, and then I'm gonna do my eye makeup. I already did the base of my makeup because I don't want to make this a makeup video. So we're just gonna do like the eyes together and make it like a dark, gothy, smoky eye kind of look thing going on. So I'm going to pick out my tattoos now, and then we're going to get into the makeup. Woo! So firstly, I picked out these two designs. This is going to go like right here, and this one's going to go like right here. We're going to do like a full sleeve. I'm so excited. So we're going to apply that now. I'm kind of nervous to fuck this up because I haven't done this since I was like a little girl. I'm really scared right now. So we're just going to like, make sure I don't have any hair there. Oh, I'm scared. I don't even know how to do this on myself, like, on my arm. Okay, the directions said to leave it on for like 30 seconds, so that's what we're gonna do. In the meantime, I'm going to pick out the smaller tattoos that we're gonna apply in a bunch of fun places. Ooh, this would look pretty on my neck. Let's do that. Oh, they have like all the constellations here. Freaking creepy these ones are. I'm telling you, these tattoos are freaking sick. So these would be a really good idea for anyone who wants to get a tattoo but doesn't want to commit and kind of just wants to like test it out and see what it look like first in certain places. Okay, I feel like it's been like 30 seconds, but I'm really scared. I don't want to peel this off. I'm so scared. I probably fucked this up so bad. Okay, we're gonna peel it. Oh, look, see, there's like a little part that I didn't get there. Oh, I love her. I love her a lot. Ooh. Okay, we need to fill this space here. Let's see if we could get like another flower or something. Yeah, I don't know how that would look if I put that like right here. We're gonna try it out. Oh, this is so much fun. This is gonna be like my favorite video yet. This video is probably a really bad idea because I'm gonna want to go and like get like so many more tattoos. I have like about 3 tattoos right now. I have this little like flower here, and I have like a little moon here, and I have like a little clover on my ankle. But I do want to get more. I'm waiting for COVID to like settle down a little bit, open things up, because I don't know, I just don't feel like getting a tattoo right now, but we'll see how it goes. Definitely getting more though. So that's what she looks like right now. I'm so excited. Let's peel. Ooh, I don't know if I left this one on long enough. Ooh, that's so cool. So that's what she looks like so far. Oh, this is hard. I have like lots of spaces to fill. Here we go again. Find another long one. This one I already know. We're gonna put this one like right here. She's pretty. All right, time to peel. Oh my god. See, I missed like a bunch of spots. I'm really not good at this. So this is what it looks like so far. As you can see, like I fucked it up a bit, but it's so cool. We just have to add something here, and then we pretty much have like a full sleeve. Oh, I love it. It's so cool. Okay, so I think we're gonna add like that right there. That'll be cute. And then we get to move on to like the small, adorable little tattoos. I'm so excited. So we got the full sleeve done. I don't have like everything done. There's little spaces, but we're gonna leave it with that. I think it looks freaking sick. Maybe I should add one here. No, we're gonna relax. Now we get to move on to the small ones. I'm freaking pumped. Okay, those butterflies are absolutely freaking adorable. I think I got my necklace in one. Okay, no. Oh, don't tempt me. She's cute. Oh, we love her. So that's it for the tattoos for now. I think everything looks really cute. I might add a few more later on. I'm not really sure yet. Oh my god, I almost just scratched it off. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the makeup. I'm really excited. We're just gonna go all out, all black, and see how that goes. So I don't even care if it's messy. I'm not gonna try to be like a makeup artist in this kind of video. I'm just literally gonna blacken the shit out of it. So far that looks pretty sick. Oh, I love this. This video is so fun. So far I'm not mad at it. It looks pretty cute. We'll see how it goes. So I'm going to keep it simple like that. I just put black eyeshadow everywhere and a little bit of burgundy on top. And now we're going to go in with eyeliner. And then we're going to put a little bit of undershadow and then we're done with the eyes. So the eyes are completely done. I kind of look scary right now. Like, I don't know, this really just doesn't look like me and it's freaking me out. So the darkest lip shade that I have, unfortunately, is like this really dark brown. So we're just gonna put it on and see how it looks because I can't just not complete this look with a dark lipstick. So that's how we're gonna do. So I just applied the dark lipstick. Does this even look like me anymore? Because I don't think she does. Like, she looks kind of scary and she looks like she's gonna like eat your whole family, but we didn't even put the piercings on yet, so that should be fun. So I got like a few. I don't know which ones to use. This one's really, really pretty. Like, you put it here. But she's kind of loose. And I don't like that. Like, if I'm going to put it, I want her to stay. But, like, who is she? So, I don't know. I think I'm going to stick to an actual, like, just nose ring. Because they're simple. So, that's what we're going to do. There. Is that cute? I think she's cute. Can we be more dramatic and put like a lip ring or something? Oh my god, let's do a lip ring. So that's what it looks like with the lip ring. I don't really dig it. I'm gonna take it out. Ugh. This is like the worst lipstick I've ever used, by the way. Like, look at this. Like, like the color like just transfers everywhere so much and it's not staying on good. All right. So that's the final look. I don't even recognize myself. Look how pretty this is. I would totally want a tattoo like that. That's so pretty. Well, I don't even recognize myself right now, to be honest. And I have like the most conservative dad. Like, he's like religious and he just hates tattoos and he hates piercings and he just doesn't like anything that I just did. So I can't wait to see his reaction to what I look like right now because he's probably gonna have a heart attack. Like, this poor guy, he's gonna come home and just not even know what the fuck just happened. Hi, Dad.
You better not be tattooed. You better start running now. What the hell is this all about? What's with all the makeup on your head?
So this is the final look. This is the makeup. This is the goth version of me. So I hope you guys really, really enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And I will hopefully see you in the next one. Bye!